You've probably never seen a tutorial like this before. And the reason is simple. Most people are still using methods that don't work properly. I uploaded a tutorial on Kling motion control a few days ago, but there were a lot of comments. Many people understood it and many didn't. So to fix that problem, after doing a lot of research, I brought a new website and a new trick. This one is 100% working and a very simple method. Watch the full video so you don't miss any trick. People don't watch the full video and then go to the comment section saying the method doesn't work. In this, I'll also show how to use it on both laptop and mobile. Let's start the process. First, you need a VPN. Any VPN will work. Just connect to any USA region. So I'm going to connect the VPN now. What you see in red right now will turn blue after connecting the VPN. Open the website. After it opens, turn off the VPN to log in with your Google account. After logging in, connect the VPN again and then continue the process. Before login, you will get 1,500 credits. The best part is that you will get 200 credits daily, so you can easily create 4 to 5 videos every day. In the corner, you will see a plus icon and another icon on the side. When you click on it, you will get options like motion control along with AI video and AI image. Select the motion control option, then first upload your reference video, and then upload your image that you want to apply to the reference video motion. Then click on generate. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes to generate. Now check the result. For the mobile process, I have given a complete step-by-step guide in the pinned comment section, so go check it for mobile users. All the tools I used are provided in the description.